How to redeem Pandora gift cards. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode on How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can redeem Pandora gift cards. Now to redeem a Pandora gift card and apply the balance to your Pandora account, follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on your PC and there on the URL, search for pandora.com and press enter on a keyboard. Once you do that, you will be landed to the official homepage of Pandora. Now, in order to redeem your Pandora gift card, firstly you have to get logged into your Pandora account. Now, if you don't have your account yet, you can create one for you by clicking on sign up button, and if you already have an account, then click on login button and then it will take you to the sign up page. Now here, enter your credentials to get logged into your account. And once you get logged into your account, click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then a drop down menu will appear on your screen. From the menu, click on the second option, Settings, and then you will be taken to the settings page of Pandora. Now you will be able to see a menu at the left side of your screen, and then you will be able to see redeem option. Click on that option and then redeem page will be open up on your screen, and on the redeem page you will find a field where you can enter the gift card code. The gift card code is at the back of the gift card, which is typically a combination of letters and numbers. Now enter your gift card or promo code here. And once you're done with entering your gift card code, tick the square box which says I have read and agree to the Pandora subscription terms. Now once you're done with entering the code correctly, click on redeem button to submit the code. And after submitting the code, Pandora should confirm that the gift card has been successfully redeemed. The balance from the gift card will be added to your Pandora account. With the gift card balance applied to your account, you can start using it to access Pandora's premium features or for purchasing additional subscription time. Now, that's how easily you can redeem Pandora gift cards. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.